To kill two birds with one stone means to achieve two goals with a single action. In simple terms, when you kill two birds with one stone, you do one thing that solves or accomplishes two different things at the same time. For example, she listened to an English podcast while cooking dinner to kill two birds with one stone. By visiting the bank during lunch break, he killed two birds with one stone. He finished his work and still had time for lunch. Taking the train to the meeting allowed her to travel and finish reading her report, killing two birds with one stone. Therefore, this idiom suggests efficiency and smart planning, doing something in a way that brings multiple benefits at once. It also highlights the idea that a clever action can save both time and effort. This guy picked mangoes for his mother, but giving one to the girl also helped him impress her, killing two birds with one stone. By doing one simple task, he managed to help at home and win her admiration at the same time. Alright, until next time, this is RB signing off.